Okay, so this is just gonna be a really quick video. I'm not gonna go into too much detail just because it's a different way to create a video and use video, but it's not with your smartphone. So there's a couple websites called, there's BombBomb, there's Co-Video, there's iJot. BombBomb is gonna be the most popular one, but it's a really cool tool to use if you are looking to do something like an email video. So with BombBomb specifically, once you sign on and you're at your computer, you can actually get one of those little cameras that go on top of your laptop, or if your laptop already has a camera like this one does, you can use that one. Now this one's really low quality and I never recommend using this one, but anyways, that's beside the point. With these sites, you are able to film a video and it's actually gonna save it into your account on the website, and then it's gonna actually be plugged right into an email so that when you send an email, let's say to you like your VIP clients and you wanna do something a little bit more personable than just a email, then you can attach a video message inside that email, and not only that, it gives you analytics, so you're able to see who opens it, when they open it, and all that good stuff. And it just adds a little bit extra to those messages. If you want to know more, if you want to see more on these websites, let me know and I will create a video for you guys. But I just wanted to throw this information out there so that you can have it. All right, we'll see you in the next video.